GitGuardian has always helped you find your leaked secrets, but now GitGuardian can also quickly reveal the permissions of your secrets. Introducing the GitGuardian Secret Analyzer. One of the first questions any security team needs to ask itself when a secret is leaked is what exactly could an attacker do with it? Does it grant read-only access, or does it have permissions to write or delete data? At the same time, understanding the correct scope needed for replacing a credential can take a long time, as all too often, the permissions originally granted are poorly documented, if at all. Now, with GitGuardian's Secret Analyzer, you can quickly find information about a secret's roles and permissions, as well as relevant contextual information, including ownership and the perimeter where the secret was found. Owners and managers can activate this feature in their workspace by going to Settings and then navigating to the secret's general settings found in the second section of the menu. Once activated, the next time you view an incident's details, if GitGuardian can analyze that secret, you'll see new information in the first block on the page, including the secret scopes and other system-specific data to help you speed up your remediation efforts. In your Incidents Overview dashboard, you can also access a new Critical Scopes view that filters for the most critical permissions associated with the analyzers we currently offer. You can also filter by secret scopes to quickly identify secrets with specific permissions, and filter by secret analyzer status. While we want to support all specific secrets, we're starting with just a subset of our detectors list. More will be added over time. Secret Analyzer is just one more way GitGuardian is empowering teams to move faster when remediating secret sprawl while working to keep their enterprises safe.